Some general steps to follow when writing a business assignment. Understand the assignment requirements. Read the instructions carefully to make sure you understand what is expected of you. If you are unsure about any part of the assignment, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or professor for clarification. Research. Gather relevant information and data related to your topic. You can use books, articles, academic journals, and other credible sources to support your arguments. Organize your thoughts. Create an outline or mind map to help you organize your thoughts and ideas. This will also help you identify any gaps in your research or arguments. Write the first draft. Start with an introduction that sets the context for your assignment and clearly states your thesis or main argument. Then, move on to the body paragraphs, where you provide evidence and support for your argument. Finally, write a conclusion that summarizes your main points and provides a final thought. Edit and proofread. Once you have written the first draft, take some time to review and edit your work. Check for spelling and grammar errors, and make sure your writing is clear and concise. Citation. Be sure to properly cite all the sources you used in your assignment, according to the citation style specified by your teacher or professor. Finalize and submit. Once you have completed your final draft, review it once more to make sure everything is in order. Then, submit your assignment before the deadline. Remember, a well-written business assignment should be clear, concise, and well supported with data and evidence. Good luck! I can help you with research, writing, proofreading, and editing, and I can also provide you with tips on how to improve your writing skills. Feel free to ask me any questions via email at globalassignmentservice444@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at +923,346,063,324, and I'll be happy to assist you.